What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to have a quick benchmarking comparison between Poco M5 and Poco M4 5G smartphones to see which device is better in terms of hardware specs, the benchmarking test score result, and how much better performance you must expect from one another if you're going to buy any of these two smartphones. So here we go. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today here on our Poco M5 and Poco M4 5G. The review unit of Poco M5 we got blocks most of the benchmarking test applications, so we could not run the 3D Mark, but we were able to successfully run Antutu benchmark and Geekbench 5. So first of all, let's have a look on the Antutu benchmarking. So here you can see Poco M5 scored 367,337 and Poco M4 5G scored 336,936. So as you can see, the winner is Poco M5. If we go to the individual test score result, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and as you can see, in all of these four, performance of Poco M5 is better compared to Poco M4 5G. The difference is very minute when it comes to GPU between these two devices, as both of them got exact same GPU. But our concern is the overall score, and in that the winner is Poco M5. So let's go back from here and now let's have a look on Geekbench 5. So this test is divided in two parts, CPU and compute, and CPU once again divided in single core and multi-core. So here you can see that in single core the winner is Poco M4 5G, and in multi-core the winner is Poco M5 as it scored 545 in single core, 1836 in multi-core, and Poco M4 5G scored 556 in single core and 1760 in multi-core. If you go to the compute test score result, here you can see that this time the winner is Poco M5 as it scored 1537 compared to 1443 of Poco M4 5G. So considering the overall score, we can say that the winner is Poco M5, as out of three, single core, multi-core and compute, in two of them the winner is Poco M5, and in one of them the winner is Poco M4 5G. And once again you can see that the difference is not much between these two smartphones in terms of benchmarking test score result when it comes to Geekbench 5, and this is because of the reason that both of these smartphones are pretty much same in terms of hardware specs. The amount of RAM, storage, software version, GPU are exactly same. The only difference is in terms of CPU. On Poco M5 we got Helio G99 processor, and on Poco M4 5G we got Dimensity 700. So it does not matter which device you are going to buy, you will be happy with the performance for sure, but Poco M5 is obviously slightly more powerful and will be a bit better compared to Poco M4 5G. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.